Looking for your dream car? It could be the 2021 Ford F-150. With less than 15,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Take a closer look at this full-size F-150. It's the light-duty pickup that leverages military-grade aluminum alloy and high-strength steel to produce class-leading towing and payload capabilities. What's more, available options let you customize its hard-working bed so you can be more productive than ever before. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, navigation system, power passenger seat, fog lamps, heated front seat, power driver seat, aluminum wheels, trailer hitch, dual zone AC, electronic stability control. Don't miss the opportunity to get into this F-150, the pickup that's at the head of its class. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.